Hello there everyone, my name is Chris and today we're going to be looking at a way to protect your workbench with this insulated silicone soldering mat. This soldering mat is 400 millimeters by 300 millimeters in size. It can withstand up to 930 degrees Fahrenheit. It is non-skid and non-conductive, so that way you won't accidentally short out any of your circuits and it won't be moving around while you try and solder something. It does feature one large receptacle, 3 medium-sized receptacles, 8 small-sized receptacles, and 56 teeny tiny little receptacles. These are probably best for small SMD ICs, resistors, anything of that nature. There really isn't too much more to say about this soldering mat other than that we really like it, and it provides a really good resource if you're wanting to solder without damaging your workbench, your desk, or any other place that you're actually going to be soldering. So if you're looking for a nice large area to solder, make sure you pick up the Insulated Silicone Soldering Mat. Solder to? Nope. Wood or table or in length and width. Nope. That we just recently, no. Soldering mat, nope. Really protect, no. It's so floppy. All right, cool, let's go.